today I'm going to do the introduction to Rebound. It's a nice little PC game. It's PC or web-based. You can probably get it off itch.io. It's a really simple waste of time game. It doesn't really have any point, but it's fun, time waster, and let's play it now. We can start and you can zoom out or whatever. You can click no hints and you won't see these hints. Take a break and set your music volume or whatever you want, but this is the basics of the game. Without any score. Work order. You need to clean the cover, clean the front cover, clean the spine, or clean the back cover. So click that. And to clean this, we need a cleaning brush. We're going to be cleaning the covers. Now, if I hold down my mouse, I can do this. That's what this is. No hold, off, now it's on. So here, I can clean the spines. I can clean the cover. As good as I want. Then put my tool back and flip my book over and complete cleaning the spine. Then return my tool, flip it over, rotate it, and then go ahead and finish up. That's really all there is to this part of it. You just follow your work order. Return your tool, and my work order is complete. I go ahead and finish it. It puts the book away. Here's another example. Work order. I need to clean pages. So I don't want to open the cover. I want to get to the pages. So I open the pages, get my cleaning brush, and clean it as good as I can. It depends on how OC you are. You can just sit here and drink coffee, relax, and do it. And there you are. I'm going to put this tool back. My work order completed. And now I go ahead and close the book and finish. Now here's the harder one. This is one heck of a work order. We have to detach the cover, cut the front hinge, back hinge, and rebind, and finish the binding. That's a lot of work here. But we're working on the cover right now, so let's open the cover. And now we're going to pick up our book knife and cut the hinge. And put our tool back. And close the book. Flip it over to the other side, open it up, take our book knife, cut that hinge, you're gonna cut that off, put our tool back, close our book because we're done with that part. Now next we need to rebind. So let's go ahead and remove the cover. Rotate the book so we can get to this. Take up our shaver, shave off the old stuff. Old binding glue. That's really all we do with that. We put our tool back, pick up our paste brush, and apply paste. Once we do that, put our tool back, You know, sometimes it'll do this. Now I want to drag new binding onto the book. Drag it on over. And now I want to put this page in. So what I want to rotate the book so that my bindings of my this is on this side. And reattach my cover and open the cover. Drag my end paper over, apply paste. Any way you want to do it. As thorough a job as you want or not. Depends on what you want to do or feel like doing or in the mood to do. And once we've applied our paste, just go to as bad as we want. Turn our tool. Let me see how to tap that. Close the book. I'll flip the book over. Open my cover. Drag my page in. Apply my paste. There we go. And that's basically all you need to do. And once I do that, I put my tool back, close my book, and my work order is complete. And let's finish it. Now those are the opening things, and it shows you what to do. And really, that's all there is to it. When you want to exit the game, you come up here to your X and exit it. There's no button. You can adjust your music. You can take a break. It'll take you into a different room. And you'll look around a little bit while you're taking a break. They can leave the game running. And you add as many books as you want to do. It keeps stacking the books off to your right, and you can time yourself, see how long you played, how many books you did, whatever, but there's no score being kept, none at all, and it's just a personal thing, a relaxation thing, and if it's it's sort of cute. If you want to waste some time and perhaps get a lot of books stacked up here. I'm not really sure. I've never actually played this so long that I got all books all the way over there, but past my view. But there's might be a way to see that. There isn't how many, but it doesn't count for you. And that's really all there is to this game. It's a time waster. It's a relaxation thing. It doesn't, no stress. You don't have to do the perfect job. It's just what it is, and it's quite nice. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you again at another time.